Hello, my name is Jeremy, and I'm going to talk about the Money Mind hack. From now on, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this product, which is becoming well known on the internet and claims to be a computer program that activates your brain's wealth magnet. The transformation takes place via an audio track. I'd also like to warn you about this product and, above all, explain to you whether Money Mind hack works. I'm in this video to give you exclusive information that I believe everyone should know before they buy the product and start using it. So please pay attention to what I have to say. If you already know the product and you're watching this video to access the link to the product's official website, without running the risk of entering an incorrect website and losing your money, I'll leave the link to the correct Money Mind hack website in the video description and also in the comments. Money Mind hack is a computer program that activates your brain's wealth magnet. The transformation takes place via an audio track. Listen to this professionally produced audio to change your financial beliefs using your subconscious. Reprogramming removes limiting ideas and bad emotions related to wealth, making it easier to attract wealth. The Money Mind hack is based on the idea that ideas and beliefs create reality. This program uses positive affirmations and subliminal messages to change your subconscious mind to think rich and successful. Money Mind hack promises fast and effective results to help you live a richer life. This program is easy to use for financial improvement due to its simple methodology and accessible audio tracks. Money Mind hack emerges as a comprehensive program that unravels the intricate relationship between mindset and financial success. With its user-friendly approach, real-life success stories, and cutting-edge techniques, it represents a valuable resource for those who are ready to transform their financial destiny. An investment worth considering for those who really want to free themselves from financial constraints and unlock their true money-making potential. If you want to find out more about Money Mind hack, visit the official website. The link is in the description of this video. By purchasing the Money Mind hack, you also get a big discount. I really hope this video has helped you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. See you later.